Hello and a very warm welcome to all of you. This is Vithi Jodh and you're watching The Bridge. The winners of PKL Season 6 were dethroned by the Bengal Warriors in Season 7, where the team took a severe hit in the semi-finals. It was their unstable defense which leaked too many points, leading Bulls out of the game. But this is a new season, new mat and a few new players. Before we jump into understanding what Bengaluru Bulls have to offer in Season 8 of PKL, do not forget to click on like, share and subscribe to receive more interesting content from The Bridge. The Bengaluru Bulls, a strong rating side and the champions of PKL in Season 6, a kabaddi team based in Bengaluru that plays their home matches at the Kanti Rava Indoor Stadium. Bulls is one of the most successful teams of the league, having won the elusive trophy in 2018-19 season by out-and-out eclipsing Gujarat Fortune Giants. They marked their presence in the 2014 inaugural season by reaching the semi-finals and was a runner-up to the U Mumba in 2015. And some facts that make them super interesting are: out of 130 matches played, they have bagged 16 wins to their side. They usually outclass Tamil Thalaiva with a win percentage of 88 and are outclassed by U Mumba with just a win percentage of 29. In 2021 Season 8, Bengaluru Bulls have strengthened their already strong rating side with some big purchases flocking in. Bengaluru Bulls splashed upwards of rupees 2.5 crores, bringing in a total of 10 players to add to the already retained 5. And this leads to the team to look something like this. Coach being Randhir Singh. Under others category, Pawan Kumar, Bunty, Dongjeon Lee, Mahali, Chandran Ranjit, GB Moore, Deepak Narwal. Under defenders category, Amit Shoran, Saurabh Nandal, Mohit, Ziaur Rahman, Mahendra Singh, Mayur Jagannath Kadam, Vikas and Ankit. The captain of the Bulls is no short of a maven. Pawan Sehrawat is one of the most consistent players for Bengaluru Bulls in Pro Kabaddi League and has established himself as one of the finest individual players out there. He scored the most points in the 6th season, that is 282. He also holds the record for scoring the most number of points, 39 in a single match. Sehrawat was the second player to score 300 points Season 7, and now you know why he is known as the High Flyer. To enhance the support of Sehrawat, the Bulls have backed in Tamil Nadu-based Chandan Ranjit for a whopping 80 lakhs. And ladies and gentlemen, he is worth the price. In a span of 64 matches, Ranjit has listed 341 points along with 6 Super 10s to his name. He will be significant support to the main raider on the mat considering his consistency out there. And next comes Deepak Narwal, who literally completes the trio. Deepak, who was roped in for 26.5 lakhs, makes the team stable. He made his debut for Patna Pirates in Season 2 and became best raider for the team as he scripted down 57 rating points. Deepak offers the Bull 10 Super 10s in the plate along with his stunning consistency in the league. In the defense department, Mahendra Singh is currently shouldering the larger weight to save his side. The Bulls got the bulldozer back by using their FBM card at the price tag of 50 lakhs. In Season 5, he marked himself as the most successful left cover defender with 57 points in his bag in just 22 matches. But Singh was rather impressive in the last season when he scored 61 points in just 21 matches. Now, when the data sounds really jaunty and jolly in the defense, but the department is literally handled by a single guy, that is Mahendra. In the Season 7, the Bulls stepped down onto the mat relying on their young defensive core, which countered them pretty badly. Players like Mahendra Singh, Amit Shoran and Saurabh Nandal are the defense, but the implementation hasn't been top-notch as far as the PKL is concerned. The other worry would be the vague all-rounders ranking department of the Bulls, so safe to say that if the team gets stuck into deficit, no one is there to bail them out. Their rating and defensive side are literally in contrast to each other, but they have some couple of additions this year. It will be interesting to see how the team ensures not to repeat the past mistakes again. If you have stayed till here, thank you so much for watching this video. Please click on like, share and subscribe to receive more interesting content from The Bridge. Do not forget to click on the bell icon to never miss a notification.